The Andersen brand stands for quality. I think there's a significant place in the marketplace for a leader in the market that actually gives style, choice, longevity. We offer a 7-year warranty. And when you look ahead, that most houses that have got a driveway, which is over 15 million in the UK, will have a charge point at some stage in the next 5 or 10 years. Some of them will be maybe the cheapest plastic unit. Some will be the units that reflect the style and the lifestyle of the owner. Andersen falls in that bracket of being at the top end of the market. We want to be the go-to company for a stylish, quality product to charge your car at home.
What we're trying to do is create something that goes above and beyond anything else that is on the EV charging market. It would be very easy for us to make a charge point that was cheap and affordable out of plastic and just limited colours, but we know that our customers want something that is more considered and is actually going to be in keeping with their house. We've had customers before where they've purchased other charge points, and as soon as they've taken it out of the box, realised they didn't want that going on the side of their house, and almost on the same day have contacted us to replace it, because they realised in that moment that they valued something more than something that was just going to charge their car. They realised in that moment that they wanted something that had a better level of service, a better quality of build, and that was going to be something more in keeping of the house, and just generally something they could be proud of.
Everything we do when it comes to the design of Andersen, from the materials we use to our warranty, our customer services team, our software, it's all about building trust with our customers that charging their electric vehicle is not a problem they need to worry about. It's a solution we're providing them with. The margin of error, it's zero. It's, if you have thousands of units in the field, even a 1% failure is 0.1% failure rate it's not acceptable. When we think about designing an Andersen product, we don't think about the product, we're designing a customer experience.
But premium goes way deeper than that. Anybody can make a premium product, but it has to be the whole package. We put everything in place so that not only do we offer the best product on the market, it's an unrivaled service as well.
Our customers are the most important thing to us. We are a company that has one focus, and that is satisfying the needs and delighting the customer. We have got many 5-star Trustpilot reviews. Very proud that we maintain that standard. We want to be every single one of our customers will be proud that they've got an Andersen unit.
In my previous career, I was in the retailer of a car showroom, so I understand the customer's journey from when they first walk in, asking questions about electric vehicles or hybrid vehicles, and what sort of questions and research that customer does before purchasing. And one of those questions is EV charging. Education is really important. Customers will naturally have lots of questions to ask when it comes to EV charging, and that's where we're here to help. We tailor our service individually to the customer, so it's great having a really premium, high quality product, but if it's not backed up with experience and service, then it's worthless. I think customers appreciate the way that a service or an experience makes them feel, but the product is a functional unit on the wall that charges their car, but they won't forget how a concierge service advisor or our customer service advisor made them feel. Every single person in this company has a role to play in that customer's journey.
We know what it means to be a premium brand and what premium service looks like, and all of us understand what a good service looks like as well, and the type of service that we would like to receive. And we try to emulate that when we're providing the service. We always look at it from the customer's perspective and try and provide that exactly what we want to receive. I mean, there's nobody here that will palm anything off. Everyone will take responsibility, and if you're ever struggling or if you need help, there'll be more than one person willing to jump in to get that problem resolved.
It doesn't feel like there's a day that we don't go the extra mile for a customer. To give one example, wouldn't be fair on an individual team member, or whether it's within the customer service team or the installation team. As far as installations go, we do have a criteria that we have to meet as far as standard, and obviously there are certain things that we can't do. But the way that our electricians can step up and adapt and change the situations and actually commit to stuff that really we don't promise. There's people going the extra mile every day.
I want customers to feel appreciated, to feel as though we really value them as individuals and we value their business. And it's not something that we put on, we really do value our customers.
The customer can't just feel like they're buying a premium product and that's the end of it. They need to feel cared for and well educated at the start, and they need to feel looked after and just as much appreciated after they've spent their money with Andersen. So premium is not just the product, it's the whole package that comes with it.
When someone chooses Andersen, we want that experience to feel completely different to anything they've ever bought before, both in terms of the quality of the service, but also the quality of the product as well. We like to think we're quite different and unique within the EV charging space, and so we pride ourselves on that, and we continually push the boundaries and really redefine the standards of what an EV charger should be and should feel like. Why people choose us in the first place as well. They know they're dealing with experts. We're not just trying to sell people chargers, we actually care about what's best for them. We pride ourselves on being the experts for you and breaking down all of that so that the process of getting an EV charger and charging at home is as seamless as possible. They're not just choosing something that charges their car, they're choosing something that works for them, works for their vehicle, works for their home, and works for their lifestyle as well. And that's something that we're really proud of, and we hope that our customers can be proud of as well.
And I think anybody that comes into the company, I often get this with visitors, that they recognise that right through the company. There's a team of people that actually are passionate about what they do.
As soon as you walk into the Andersen office, you feel this sort of like raw energy, sort of passion that is kind of like pulsing through the office. And it's near impossible to get to your desk and not feel invigorated and energized and sort of ready for the challenge. And I think that's what makes Andersen unique, is that everybody, throughout the company, be it in the engineering team, customer services team, the production floor, they all have this real passion for delivering the best possible customer experience.
The feeling that I get around Andersen as well is the fact that if there is a problem, we pull together to try and help. And again, it's those people from those different departments, and seeing everyone pull together makes it different for me. I've been involved in corporate companies previously, and you see people stand back and hold their hands up and say, yeah, that's not my job. That doesn't happen here. You see a problem, everyone tries to chip in and everyone tries to help to get that result.
We are a team here. We're all driving in the same direction. We all want to be the best charge point that you can possibly buy on the market. We know we're the best charge point you can possibly buy on the market, and we all strive to do our best we can. And it is a team effort. It is literally from the sales team answering the phone to us building the charge point and getting it out the door. It's all team effort, and not one of us can do it without the other.
The atmosphere of working here, in that we're all friendly and helpful and supportive of each other. There are obviously lots of different teams, all with various different objectives throughout the whole process to supply an Andersen charge point to customers. Every single person who works here can have a great passion and belief in what we're doing, and they can see that their contribution makes a difference to customer satisfaction, the whole lot. Everyone can see that their individual element of whatever they do contributes to that.
I think it's always the people you work with, the relationships that you have, and the laughs that you have. It's enjoyable. It makes a stressful job more enjoyable, just knowing that you can have a laugh and a joke.
I don't think that I'll ever get an environment again where we're a team of 60, 70 employees and everybody cares for the business, wants the business to grow. Everybody wants to be here. Everybody's constantly striving to do the best. Everybody is putting ideas forward on how Andersen can keep breaking down walls. So it's the best team environment here.
Well, I'm very fortunate to lead a team of people that have passion, are very highly skilled, and actually really believe in the future of the company and the marketplace. There's passion right through the business, coupled with commitment and a view that they're in something that's really exciting for the future. Is that okay? All good. Good stuff. Can we tell them to get on? Okay, cheers.